Now that your Purse tokens are in FX Core, the next step is to bridge them to the Ethereum network. Begin by returning to the FX Bridge platform. Navigate to FX Bridge and click on Connect Wallet. Choose Wallet Connect 2.0 to establish a secure connection. Open your FX Mobile wallet and go to the FX Core wallet where your Purse tokens are stored. Click on the Scan QR Code button and scan the QR code displayed by FX Bridge. Approve the connection in your FX wallet to continue. On FX Bridge, set the transfer parameters by selecting from FX Core to Ethereum in the network options. If this is your first time using the bridge with Ethereum, you'll need to approve the bridge to interact with your tokens. Click on Approve, then authorize this transaction in your FX wallet. Select Purse as the token type you wish to bridge. Enter the amount you want to transfer. For this demonstration, let's bridge 2 million Purse tokens. After entering the amount, click Transfer. Confirm the transaction in your FX wallet and pay the required gas fees. The gas fee will vary based on current network conditions. Once the transaction completes, the balance of Purse tokens in your FX wallet will decrease by the transferred amount. Switch over to your Ethereum wallet. If Purse tokens are not already displayed, you can add them by selecting the Add Token option and choosing Purse tokens from the list. Network speed will dictate how quickly the tokens appear in your Ethereum wallet. Once the tokens are visible, the transfer process is complete. Congratulations! You have successfully bridged 2 million Purse tokens from FX Core to the Ethereum network. These tokens are now ready for the exciting next step, minting your PurseBOX NFT. Stay tuned for the next video where we will guide you through the NFT minting process using your Ethereum-based Purse tokens.